Hey, today's video I'm going to show you how you can animate in text, image, videos on canva.com. You know, Canva is a absolutely free video and photo editing software. You can start right now. So let's get started. First, I'm going to canva.com. Then you can see this is a design. I want to animate this prompt. Example, I click here, then click on whip. Then while you click page animate, text animate, etc, lots of option here. So I want to animate this option. Wow. So I want to bar up, then click up. Wow. Then this one, and on exit, this one. It's really nice and attractive. Then I want to animate an image. Just click on image, then click this vibrate option. Then you can see animate option. I want to draft, technique, and etc. Lots of if you want more video to type up, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.